What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic really quick in this video. I think what we saw today with this position, actually made some people happy, some people upset. I'm okay with it. Obviously, holding as much as I am, I'm still okay with the movement that we have seen. Whether it's negative or positive, I'm okay with it. I'm not looking to take any type of profit or any type of move or sell any until I get to my profit taking areas. And obviously, a lot of people know about that. If you don't know about it, feel free to go and check out my Patreon. I have the link in the description where you can get the full exit plan, where you can build your own exit plan, or you can see what my exit plan actually is. But I don't plan on selling anything because I already made profit. Now, I expect other people to do the same, to find a level to where you can make profit after maybe tripling your investment, four times in your investment, or whatever that is. But nevertheless, with the movement that we've seen today, it's eye-opening, right? People want to know what's going on. Why are we seeing it drop? Some people are very, very concerned, while others are like, I mean, let it drop because we want to see more burns that are happening. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into what's going on with Terra Luna Classic, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, definitely follow me on Twitter. Don't forget about the Patreon, like I just mentioned. Feel free to check out that Patreon. The link is in the description. But Terra Luna Classic right now is down 19%. Like, a lot of people don't want to see this. They're upset with the fact that it's down. They're like, why is it down? I'm losing everything, or I'm going to lose everything. Should I sell because I'm going to lose all my gains? And these are the questions that you really need to ask yourself. I'm not going to tell you what to do. If you have to ask and get that answer from somebody else, you're not making your own decisions. You don't run your own investment account, your own life, really. So, no offense to anybody that is asking. It's okay to ask here and there, but understand that the question, or the answer that I'm going to give you is going to be about you making that decision for yourself. Because if it comes to the point where I'm not here, it makes sense for you to be able to make that decision. That's what I want to teach you. So, you being able to make whatever decision you want to make is phenomenal for gains, for any type of losses, accepting your losses, being very disciplined in the markets. 100% could benefit you if you make that decision. So right now, again, it's down 19%. It's down to 0.0004148. We saw it to a low of 0.0003978, which is crazy because I actually saw it a little bit lower than this via the charts, but I guess most of the exchanges didn't really go that low. And a lot of people couldn't sell at that low point or buy at that low point if they really wanted to. So that was interesting to see, but obviously that, you're only seeing coin market cap show you 0.0003978. Now, we're also seeing a high here today of 0.0005482. Now, this was all hovering or consolidating around that 50 to 54 mark the whole entire day, or the whole morning, until it hit a certain point, and all of a sudden, boom, everything just fell down really, really hard. And it seemed like it was just one whale that really initiated everything. And then when you had that whale, you had people react, basically saying, look, I don't want to lose all my gains. So they got out of the position, or they sold some of their position, which is understandable. If you are concerned with the gains that you had, you should have taken some gains right from the start. You should have taken 50%, or taken whatever your initial investment is. I don't know how much you actually gained from the point of investing to the high point, but you should have taken at least something so you're happy and you're comfortable with holding for the rest of the time. Understand my situation. I bought in at $40. Mine is kind of a unique situation, where I bought in insanely low, and not everybody bought in that low. I do know a couple of people that did buy in low. Congratulations to you for taking profit and doing everything you need to do. But I bought in really low at $40, or I bought $40 worth and got 65 million, which obviously is insanely low. And I was able to profit $5,000 off of it while still having well over $14,000 or $15,000 at the moment of this recording. So either way, I'm going to be able to profit out of it no matter what. I invested 40, gained 5,000. So altogether, I've made so much. Not to rub it in your face, but basically, it's more of just, here's the situation that it should be for you if you are investing. Find double the price and then move up from there, maybe triple the price and move up from there. But we're still seeing it at a $2.5 billion market cap. The fully diluted market cap is at 2.8 billion. We do see the volume as at 2.9 billion for the day. So even though we're seeing decent sized volume, a decent sized pullback, this is what I was talking about. While people say, oh, well, if we see the volume at $3 billion, we're going to see the price skyrocket. We see the volume at $3 billion and the price has come down 18%. Volume goes both ways. It's not just a one-way street where you're seeing it only go the positive way, only go towards buying and not towards selling. You're going to see that towards selling, and that's the type of volume that we want towards that burn tax. So you can see here how it was consolidating really around that, 550 area to 54 area, and then did fall down pretty hard all the way down to here. Now, at this moment, it said that it actually went lower via the candlestick chart. So I don't know if that fully updated there, but it did go insanely low all the way down here to 35. So I guess it was just, there was just a lot of exchanges that didn't report it at 35 at that moment, but you did see it drop down low, and it dropped down to about 39 there, and that was more in line with what we are seeing here, which is 0.00039. What we did attribute this to, what I did attribute this to, is a whale, right? So I think a whale decided to get out of the position. Obviously, whales are only looking for 30%. Or maybe 50% or 100%. And they gain that. It turn $1 million into $5 million, right? Or turn $1 million into $1.5 million or something like that, right? They're looking for a smaller gain than what we're looking for, which is 1,000% gains here. But that's what I attribute it to. We obviously see it pull back, and I'm okay with it. It's not a bad thing. While people may think that it's a bad thing, I don't consider it a bad thing. While we're waiting for the 1.2% burn tax, that 1.2% could be something that flows off of this price right here versus the 0.0006 price, right? That price over there you would end up burning less, right? But here you would burn more. You're still seeing $3 billion in volume, and you see a lower price. So essentially, it doesn't really mean that this is a bad thing that it's pulling back. It's just some people may look like their account is negative, but you have to have a long-term mindset. If you're looking to gain millions off of this, you have to have more of a long-term mindset rather than the short-term mindset where people are like, I bought yesterday. Oh, it's decreasing. It's at a level of it's negative 5%, right? If it's down 5%, why are you panicking, right? And you're never going to be able to get it at the absolute low. Even right? When I bought, I didn't buy it at the absolute low. It went a little bit lower than where I bought, but I bought at such a low point that majority of people did not buy at those points, right? So you need to look at this, like I said, with a long-term mindset, and hopefully you can gauge the situation and understand that this may be a good thing. With a lower price and a higher volume, I will take that any day of the week. So anyways, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you could follow me there. Don't forget about my Patreon, guys. If you want to join the Patreon, feel free to join the Patreon. We have multiple levels of the Patreon here. Let me go ahead and show you what the public view looks like. Yeah, go ahead and sign up for any of these Discord levels. You can get a lot of different videos, a lot of different stuff. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Give it a look. But like I said, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.